Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to add Google Authenticator to Bybit. So let's get in. You want to go over to your right hand side and you will see your profile picture. You want to tap on that. Now, once this menu has opened, you will actually see quite a few options. So we want to look for account and security. Now, once we are in this page, we are going to scroll all the way down until you see advanced protection, and underneath that there is the Google two-factor authentication. Now you're going to tap on settings on the right hand side, and here it will verify you, and then it will ask to send you a code. All right, so we're going to go into our email account now, and we can open it like that, and here is our code. So we're going to double click on that. We're going to say Control C to copy, and here we can paste that code. We're going to tap on confirm here, and now you will have to download the Google Authenticator app on your device, and once you have done so, you will then have to scan this code, and alternatively you will then also be able to enter this code in. So what you want to do is scan that code or enter that code in, and then on your Google Authenticator app, you will have a number that you will put in over here, and you will tap on confirm. Now, once you've tapped on confirm, you will have to then log out. So you'll have to go up to your profile picture again and all the way to the bottom and tap on log out, and then you can log back in. And once you've done so, if you come back to the settings menu, you will see that over here it has a green tick just like this, and you can toggle that on and off given that you have the security code. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.